Thank you for your overwhelming support. Dear audience, let us study one more interesting topic of the grade 10, ratio and proportion. Let us see some questions on ratio and proportion. Whenever you've been asked to find the value of x for the ratio and proportion, you have to multiply the first and last terms and the second and third terms. That is, product of extremes is equal to the product of means. That is 3 into x is equal to 4 into 2.4. Make x alone here. That is 4 into 24 divided by 10 whole divided by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 eights are 24. That is 8 4s are 32 divided by 10. That is 3.2 is the answer. Similarly, multiply the extremes and means. The product of means is equal to the product of extremes. 3 into x is equal to 1 into 7. 7 ones are 7 divided by 3. The answer is 7 by 3. Let us take the third question. Again, the product of extremes is equal to the product of means. 1.5 into 3. X into 5 is equal to 15 divided by 10 multiplied by 3. 1.5 can be written as 15 by 10. X is equal to 15 by 10 into 3 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 3s are 15. 3 3s are 9, 9 by 10, that is 0.9. This is how we have to find the value of x. Find the fourth proportional to. The most important part of this video is finding the fourth proportional. Whenever three numbers are given, if we ask to find the fourth proportional, make fourth number as x. Again, multiply the extremes and means and make it equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 3 7s are 21, 8 7s are 56. 8 into 7, 56. The value of x is 56. Similarly, let me write 1.4 ratio 3.2 proportion 7 ratio fourth proportional, let it be x. Multiply the extremes and means, make them equal to 0. That is 1.4 is into x is equal to 3.2 into 7. X value we have to find now. X is equal to 3.2 divided by 1.4 into 7. You change 3.2 1.4 as 32 by 14 into 7. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. 2 ones are 2, 2 16s are 32. The value of x is 16 now. This is the fourth proportional. Let us find the fourth proportional for these given numbers. 1.5 ratio 4.5 proportion 3.6 and fourth proportion number be x. 1.5 into x is equal to 4.5 into 3.6. Make x alone here again. X is equal to 4.5 divided by into 3.6 divided by 1.5. 1.5 into, that is 15 ones are 15, 15 3s are 35. That is 1.5 into 3 times, that is 4.5. 3 into 3.6. Multiply 3 into 3.6. 3 6 are 18. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 1, 10. That is 10.8 is the answer. Similarly, find the fourth proportional to a square ratio AB proportion B square ratio x. Again, find the value of x here. Multiply the extremes and means, that is a square into x is equal to ab into b square. Make x alone. X is equal to ab into, that is ab into b square is ab cube divided by a square. X is equal to a in the numerator, I can cancel with the denominator, b cube by a. The value of x is, the fourth proportional is b cube divided by a. Find the fourth proportional to these given numbers. Let me write a square minus ab plus b square ratio a cube plus b cube is proportion a minus b ratio x. Again, the product of extremes is equal to the product of means. A square minus ab plus b square into x is equal to a cube plus b cube into a minus b. Let me write x is equal to a cube plus b cube. We know that the formula for a cube plus b cube can be written as the sum of cube numbers can be written as a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. A square plus b square, a square minus ab plus b square multiplied by a minus b whole divided by a square minus ab plus b square. You cancel this a square minus ab plus b square. Yes. Now what remained now? A plus b multiplied by a minus b. Therefore, the value of x is a square minus b square. A plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Find the third proportional to 9 and 6. I'll write these numbers as 9:6 as 9:6 proportion 6:x. Again, you multiply the extremes and means, make them equal to 9 into x is equal to 6 into 6. 6 6 are 36 divided by 9. 36 divided by 9. 3 3s are 9. 3 2s are 6. Again 3 2s are 2 2s are 4. The value of x is 4. Similarly, 3 2s are 6. 6 2s 6 plus 2 8. 8 by 3 ratio 4. Proportion 4:x. 4:x. Again you multiply the first and last term, second and third term. 8 by 3 into x is equal to 4 into 4. X is equal to 16 into 3 into 3 divided by 8. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. 2 3s are 6. The value of x is 6. Similarly, find the third proportional to 1.6 and 2.4. I'll write 1.6 ratio 2.4 proportion 2.4 ratio x. Multiply the extremes, which is equal to the product of means. 1.6 multiplied by x is equal to 2.4 into 2.4. X is equal to 24 into 24 divided by 10 into 10. That is 100. 1.6. I'll write 1.6 as 16 by 10. 16 by 10. 10 will go to the numerator. 1 0 1 0 I'll cancel here. Again you cancel now. 8 2s are 16. 8 3s are 24. 2 1s are 2. 2 12s are 24. 12 3s are 36 divided by 10. That is 3.6. The answer is 36 divided by 10. That is 36 by 10 is 3.6. Similarly, find the third proportional to 2 plus root 3 bracket 5 plus 4 root 3. 2 plus root 3 ratio 5 plus 4 root 3. Proportion 5 plus 4 root 3 ratio x. Again you multiply the first and last term and middle two terms. 2 plus root 3 into x is equal to 5 plus 4 root 3 into 5 plus 4 root 3. 2 times 5 plus 4 root 3, 5 plus 4 root 3. We know that right hand side becomes 5 plus 4 root 3 bracket square. 2 plus root 3 into x is equal to 5 plus 4 root 3 bracket square. It is the expansion of a plus b whole square. 5 square plus 4 root 3 bracket square plus 2 into 5 into 4 root 3. 5 square is 25 plus 4 square is 16. Root 3 square is 3 plus 2 5s are 10. 10 4s are 40. 40 root 3. Now 25 plus 16 3s are 48. 16 3s are 48. 25 plus 48 plus 40 root 3 divided by 2 plus root 3 I'll write, or else I'll simplify this. 25 plus 48, that is 73 plus 40 root 3. 73 plus 40 root 3 whole divided by, I'll write now, that is 2 plus root 3 multiplied by x. X is equal to, therefore x is equal to 73 plus 40 root 3 divided by 2 plus root 3. You multiply and now you have to rationalize to get the value of x. It is an irrational number. I'll rewrite this question. I'll rewrite this answer here again and I'll rationalize it. I'll rationalize the denominator. 2 minus root 3 divided by 2 minus root 3. Now I'm rationalizing it. If I rationalize it, I'll change the sign of the denominator and I'll multiply. Multiply the numerators now. 73 bracket 2 minus root 3 plus 40 root 3 bracket 2 minus root 3 divided by a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square. 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3. That formula I'm going to use here. Now multiply. 73 2s are 146. 73 into 2, that is 146, minus 73 into root 3, 73 root 3. 40 root 3 into 2, that is 80 root 3. 40 into root 3, that is 40 into 3. 40 multiplied by 3 whole divided by 2 square minus root 3 bracket square. 2 square, that is 4, minus root 3 bracket square, that is 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. 4 minus 3 is 1. 2 square minus root 3 bracket square, that is 4 minus 3 I wrote for the denominator. Now 80 minus 73, 146 minus 40 into 3, 120. 7 root 3. 80 minus 73, that is 7 root 3. That is, final answer is 26 plus 7 root 3. Solve this final question. Find the third proportional. A plus b plus a by b plus b by a ratio root a square plus b square proportion root a square plus b square ratio x. Find the value of x. That is the third proportional we have to find now. The product of extremes is equal to the product of means. I'll simplify it first. LCM is AB, a into a square plus b into b, b square ratio root a square plus b square proportion root a square plus b square ratio x. Multiply the means and extremes. X into a square plus b square divided by ab is equal to root a square plus b square whole square. Because 2 times I have to multiply root a square plus root b square. When I multiply the two roots, the root will go. That is a square plus b square divided by into ab divided by a square plus b square. A square plus b square, a square plus b square get cancels. X is equal to ab. The value of x is ab. Find the mean proportion between 28 and 63. 28 and 63 can be written as, I'll split these numbers, 28 and 63. I'll write 28 as 7 into 4 and 9 into 7. 7 into 9, because 7 9s are 63. Now 7 into 7, that is root 49. 9 4s are 36. Into 4 into 9. Root 49 is 7 and root 4 value is 2 and root 9 value is 3. 7 2s are 14, 14 3s are 42. The mean proportion between 28 and 63 is 42. 2.5 multiplied by 0.9. I'll write 2.5 as 25 by 10 0.59 as 9 by 10. I'll write 9 by 10. Now root 25 value is 5. Root 25 into 9 divided by root 100, that is 100. Root 25 value is 5 and root 9 value is 3. Root 100 value is 10. 5 3s are 15 divided by 10. That is 1.5. 3 by 2, 5 1s are 5 to the 10. 3 by 2 is 1.5. Similarly, you find the value of mean proportion between 6.25 multiplied by 1.6. 6.25 into 1.6. The square root of those two numbers product is mean proportion. 6.25 can be written as 625 divided by 100 into 16 divided by 10. We know that the value of root 625 is 25 and root 16 is 4. Root 625 is 25 and root 16 is 4 and root 100 value is 10. Root 100 value is 10 and root 10 as it is. Multiplied by root 10. 25 4s are 100 into divided by 10 into root 10. 0 0 cancel. 10 by root 10. 10 can be written as root 10 into root 10. Root 10 multiplied by root 10 whole divided by root 10. Root 10 get cancels. The value of mean proportion is root 10. Similarly, find the mean proportion between these two numbers. Root 26 minus root 17 into root 26 plus root 17 whole square root. Root 26 minus root 17 bracket root 26 plus root 17. A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. Root 26 bracket square minus root 17 bracket square. Root 26 bracket square is 26. Root 17 bracket square is 17. 26 minus 17 is root 9. Root 9 value is 3. Find the mean proportion between 6 plus 3 root 3, 8 minus 4 root 3. Take the product of these two in the square root. 6 plus 3 root 3 bracket 8 minus 4 root 3. Multiply these individually now. 6 bracket 8 minus 4 root 3. I'll multiply 6 8s are 48. 6 into 8 minus 4 root 3. Let me do it separately now. 3 root 3 bracket 8 minus 4 root 3. Multiply them individually. Let us see now what happens. 6 8s are 48 minus 6 4s are 24 root 3 plus 8 3s are 24 root 3. 24 root 3 minus 3 4s are 12. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. Now 24 root 3 minus 24 root 3 get cancels. 48 minus 12 3s are 36. 48 minus 36 is 12. Root 12 can be written as 4 3s are 12. 2 root 3. Thank you for watching the video.